July the 12th, 2019. Guys, a very fast video, so it will upload quick. Most of you are aware that we've been running a live stream for the first time really in the history of our channel, one that worked because of new software that allows us, even with our low internet speed, to successfully get a semi-decent live stream up. So we're keeping radars up on our live stream, guys, and we're all the alerts that are coming in. A lot of people are coming in there and giving us information from their area, and it's really neat. Anyway, this storm has been one of the most amazing that I've seen since Jump Street. And what we're seeing now is, if you've been watching us, the center of rotation, which you see now diving back south and east. They're still saying on the hurricane updates that it's moving west. It is not. It is diving back into this large area of storms. It's going to completely wrap itself. And this center of circulation, or this band that it's forming, is actually going to be absorbed into the full rotation. Now, if you understand how a hurricane works, you have an updraft in the center where you have the eye. This thing goes very high into the atmosphere. That's how it gets everything cooled off on our planet. It creates a tremendous vacuum. The winds for many miles, hundreds of miles in some cases, are being pulled into the center of circulation of a hurricane. So what it appears that we're seeing, unless it's, again, the ghost of LBJ, remember his famous quote, "He who controls the weather controls the world." Remember that? Anyway, this updraft being created by the supercells that you're seeing here is like a giant vacuum. That's how these storms work. And that's the only plausible explanation that I can see for this storm to dive back in, is because it's being pulled back in. And it's like the storm that wouldn't die. Guys, they're saying that, again, it's still moving west. It is not. And what it did, it came up in this line right there, guys, this morning. It kind of followed this line that you're seeing, was about to come on shore, then it started going west. Now it's diving back under these supercells. It will become absorbed in itself, and then it's like eating itself and becoming stronger. And what we can expect is a delayed time when it comes ashore. Also, that if it's going to wrap around these supercells, then that rain is definitely coming with it. We talked about this earlier today on the live stream. Since it appeared to be out racing the thunderstorms, would it be able to pull them with it? Because it was well out front, guys, if you remember seeing this. So you're going to have a delayed reaction on the, again, the entry to shore and the amount of moisture that's coming with it. And because it's going back out, delaying and wrapping up in this thunderstorms, it could become definitely a Cat 1 with Category 2 gust. But I want to keep it short, guys. The live stream is where we're putting all the information. And it really makes it simple, and it makes it in real time, because doing this video, I paused the live stream because of our slow internet speed here. I think it's the slowest on the planet. But that's going to be coming back up just after this video loads. So, again, join us there. It's a heads up. Be safe.